Hey guys, I'm going to show you this website called Xtra Math. It helps supplement children on their math skills. A lot of our math nowadays is we have to figure out how to do it, but it is still really good for students to understand that they need to memorize some math problems, and Xtra Math is perfect for that. So this is the sign-in page for students. They're going to need to know your email address, their first name with their initial, and they have to have a PIN. So students are first introduced to a video of this man, and he tells you how to do things. The first thing that they do is do a placement test. And down at the bottom here, you'll see these little dots and a smiley face. It actually times the student how long it takes them to do it. If they get it incorrect, it will give them an X and tell them what the result was. They have to figure out the answer until they move on. So they click through, they try to go as fast as possible. Mine is set at a kindergarten level because I teach kindergarten, but you can actually do it for all levels. And it just goes through and does it. It is actually timed, and they can only do it once a day. Once they're complete, this man who shows them exactly what they missed. They actually get told which ones they did not get correct, and they will actually be introduced to the same one over and over until they've actually figured it out and gotten it into a short amount of time. It's really cool because it will actually kick them out after a certain amount of time, so they can't sit and do it for every time. It's good just for a nice quick 5-minute thing every day. So now I want to show you what a teacher sees on their menu. I made a fake account so that I could show you. It shows that I have one student on here. You can edit your classroom, and you can actually print out flyers for your parents so that they can do it at home with their students. So this is the letter that the parents will see. As you can see, they just put your email address and an enrollment code so that they can do it at home. They can see different things that they do. If you get it on your smartphone, it is $5, but as far as the website, it is free. So I'm back at the home page, and I see Bill C. here. He's done a couple things. I'm going to click on his name. It will give a date of when he did a certain thing. It will tell him what he's working on. It will actually go through, once he finished and mastered his addition facts, it will go to subtraction and multiplication, and it's really cool that they do that. So it's actually levelized to the kid. Down here you can see a graph of how Bill did. He just did his placement test, and that was it. So if you look here, they have the green boxes. Those are the boxes that he went really fast on. If you remember seeing little smiley faces, that's the ones he's fast. The ones with the yellow box are the ones that it took him a while to do, but he eventually did it correct. And then the gray box is the ones that he struggled on big time. So usually they'll give them more of this gray and yellow boxes when it's time to do his basic math understanding, and it will go through and keep doing it until all these little boxes are yellow and then it or green, and then it will take them to subtraction. So it's really good for your kids to do every single day, just practicing getting that memorization skill in. Like I said, our math is built around how you figure out that answer, but it's really good for students to actually go through and understand what it is that they're doing. Thank you for listening.